talk about 30 best ways to earn money online in Pakistan without any investment in 2022. And the next topic we have here is flipping websites. We can also make money online by selling and buying, that is, buy for less money and sell for more money and earn a profit. That process is called the flipping process. You can search on Google. There are many websites where you can flip your business. You can sell any of your website, app, YouTube channel, game ID, Instagram account, etc., and earn money online in Pakistan. And another topic we have here is selling your digital courses. By buying and selling websites, we can also make money by buying at a discount and selling it for a higher price will yield a profit. It is known as the flipping process. It is easy to flip your business using Google. There are many variety of platforms to choose from. Earn money online in Pakistan by selling your website, app, YouTube channel, game ID, Instagram account, and extra. Just as we discussed in flipping websites, it is almost the same thing. And another topic we have here is start reselling hosting. In the same way that you sell digital courses and domains, you can also sell hosting. Reselling hosting is another way to make money online in Pakistan without any investment. You can earn money from your hobby of hosting without any investment if you love it. You can resell the hosting business and earn money. Be sure you are well informed about everything so that you don't get confused. Another topic we have here is sell your graphics. In my opinion, graphic design is one of the most popular businesses today. Graphic designers are in high demand. You can earn money from your hobby. If you love graphics, you can earn money online by selling your graphic design skills. You can sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, and many other places. Sell your product on the RAS is another option you have. You can sell any type of product on the RAS. In my opinion, the RAS is one of the most popular companies in Pakistan where people can sell their products and do business online. The RAS is also well known, that everyone knows about it. To get all the information, you must visit their official website. You can do business well if you have the information. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video, I will see you again.